Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the web tech zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to see edit history in your Google Docs. Okay, so guys, in Google Docs you can find your edit history. Okay, from starting. Okay, here you can see I'm on my Google Drive. Login with your Google Drive. I just log in with my Gmail account. Now I have to find the Google Docs where I will show you how you can find the edit history. So I have this Google Docs file here, and if you want to find the edit history or if you want to restore your history, you can make it easily. So here you can see the option called last edit was 2 days ago, so this history has been done. So you need to click on it, then on your left side you will see the all history by name, by date on time. So you can see the changes here. You can show the changes in this file. I did not done any changes, so maximum changes, so you can don't see changes here. But if you have make many changes, so you will find the some highlights here. So that is changes has been done on your device, Google Docs. So if you want to restore your changes, just select the these changes, time and date, click on the three dot option, and you can restore this version, or you can name this version, or you can also make the copy. Okay, so you can shake name version if you want to show. So name version, there is a no name version I have. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.